Welcome to Learning with Jess. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a MetaMask wallet. Currently, I'm on MetaMask.io. MetaMask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps that is free to download and use to interact with Ethereum and other blockchain networks. You can buy, store, send, and swap tokens, as well as explore blockchain apps and own your data, meaning you own the private keys of your wallet. Let's go ahead and download the MetaMask wallet. On the top right of the page, click Download. Here, you can see that the supported browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Microsoft Edge. You can also download the wallet on your iOS or Android device. I'm using Chrome, so I will click where it says Install MetaMask for Chrome. You want to check the owner of the app, reviews, and users to verify that you're downloading the correct wallet. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Now that MetaMask has been downloaded, it is encrypted and stored locally on my machine as a hot wallet. MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon or by pressing Alt-Shift-M. Click on the extension icon. You can see the MetaMask extension, and I like to pin it so it's always on the top right and I can easily access it. Click Get Started. If you have already created a wallet in the past, here is where you can use a secret recovery phrase or private key to import your wallet. For this tutorial, we will set up a new MetaMask wallet. So, click Create a Wallet. Help us improve MetaMask. If you'd like to learn more about how your data is used, you can click on the privacy policy and read more. Once you've chosen whether or not you want to share your data, select the option you want. Create a password. The password simply decrypts the wallet on your machine to unlock. It's not your private key or secret recovery phrase. If you lose your password, you can always recover your account using the secret recovery phrase. Either way, it's important to keep both your password and secret recovery phrase safe. Once you've typed in your password, click Create. Secure your wallet. If you don't know what a secret recovery phrase is and how it keeps your wallet safe, then I highly recommend watching this video because it explains it very well. In general, it sums up what a secret recovery phrase is, how to save it, and where to store it. Click Next. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can access your wallet and steal your funds. You can click here to reveal the secret words. Once you've stored them somewhere safe, click Next. Here you need to confirm your secret recovery phrase. Once you've entered the phrases in order, click Confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Tips on storing it safely. Save a backup in multiple places. Never share the phrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing. MetaMask will never spontaneously ask you for your secret recovery phrase. This goes for any websites and apps you connect your wallet to. If you need to back up your secret recovery phrase again, you can find it in Settings and go to Security. If you ever have questions or see something fishy, you can contact support. Click All Done. As you can see, we have now created our MetaMask wallet. This is the main dashboard. On the top right, click on the account identicon. Here you can see the accounts you have. Let's go ahead and create a new account. Click Create Account, name it, click Create, and now you have a secondary wallet that uses a different public address than the main wallet we have created in the start. And you can easily change between the two. You may want to create a secondary wallet, not really revealing your main wallet when somebody's sending you funds, or when you're minting an NFT, for example. If something were to happen to your browser or machine, by clicking Import Account and typing your private key, you can easily import the wallet. You can also connect a hardware wallet like a ledger, which we will do at the end of this video. You have support, so any Q&As you may be looking for, you can find it here on the MetaMask Support website. Now, Let's get into the settings of the wallet. On the General tab, here you can change the default currency as well as the language and account identicon. Advanced settings, state logs. You can download this if you'd like to have your public account addresses and send transactions logs. You can sync your MetaMask wallet with your mobile. You can reset the account, so this will clear your transaction history. You have other controls like advanced gas controls, hex data, conversions on testnets, and customized transaction nonce. As you can see here, the MetaMask wallet is defaulted to lock in 5 minutes. You can change this here. To lock your wallet, click the account identicon and click Lock. Contacts. Here you can add contacts, add addresses you trust. If you regularly send funds to specific people, this will make it a lot easier for you, as it will directly link to their wallet. Security and privacy. Like I said earlier in this video, your MetaMask password decrypts the wallet on your machine to unlock. If you lose your password, you can recover the wallet using your secret recovery phrase. If you lose your secret recovery phrase and can still access the MetaMask app with your password, you can access the wallet and view change the secret recovery phrase. If you lose both the password and secret recovery phrase, then you will not be able to access the encrypted wallet on your machine, meaning that you have completely lost your wallet. Don't let this happen to you. Show incoming transactions. Etherscan will show you incoming transactions in the transactions list. This is defaulted to be enabled. So is use phishing detection. It's good to keep this enabled as it will warn you for phishing domains and transactions that may threaten your wallet. Here you have alerts that will be shown to you when browsing or using a website. Networks. As you can see, we are now connected to the Ethereum mainnet, or you can even add a network. For example, let's add the Avalanche network. When adding a network, always find it from the official website of the token. For example, with Avalanche, I am on the support page where I searched how do I set up MetaMask on Avalanche. And this blog has given me all the details I need. The network name, the new RCP URL, chain ID, the symbol, and Explorer. By inputting everything to MetaMask and clicking Save, now my MetaMask wallet is connected to the Avalanche network. This means I can interact with the Avalanche blockchain, send any Avalanche tokens directly to my wallet, and I can easily switch between the two. Keep in mind that it's the same address as my Ethereum wallet. The only difference here is the network. So any networks you add, whether it's Avalanche, Polygon, or Binance Smart Chain, it will always use the same address, unless you have a secondary wallet. If you'd like to remove a network, you can click on it and press Delete. Experimental. Here, you can use token detection. This means MetaMask uses third-party APIs to detect and display new tokens sent to your wallet. You can enable enhanced gas fee UI. This is for gas estimation and customization. You can learn more about these by clicking Learn More. Finally, the About tab. Here you can view the MetaMask version you are using and other links like MetaMask's privacy policy, terms of use, attributions, support center, website, and contact. Now, let's get back to the main dashboard by clicking the MetaMask logo. On the top right, click on these 3 dots. Click Account Details. Here, you can make your wallet more personal by changing the name. You can view your account on Etherscan and see any transactions that were made with the associated account. This is your public key QR code and address. And below, you can export the private key of the wallet. Of course, don't share that with anyone because anyone who has your private key can access your account. Back to the main dashboard. On the top, you can view your wallet name, and below is your wallet address, which you can easily copy by clicking on it. Here you can see the Ethereum logo. This is how much ETH you have on your account, and below is how much it's worth in dollar value. And here are the assets you have in the wallet. And if you want to import a token, you can click Import Tokens. Search for a token you'd like to add or paste in the address of the token. For example, USDC. Click Next, click Import Tokens, and you can now view it in your wallet. To view more details about a token, click on it. You can view the specific token on Etherscan, view specific token details like the funds, token address, and the network. You can also hide the token from your wallet by clicking Hide USDC. And as you can see, it says here, you can add this token back in the future like we did previously. No funds would be lost. Click Hide, and it has now hidden the USDC token. On the main dashboard, next to your token list, you have Activity. It's like the history of your wallet. So any tokens you buy, send, or swap, it will be shown here. To buy ETH, click Buy. Here you can see the different third parties where you can buy Ethereum with your debit card. Or you can directly deposit Ethereum. Click View Account and use the public key QR code or address to deposit Ethereum into your account. To send Ethereum or any other token, click Send on the dashboard or click on the specific token. Enter the address of the wallet in the Add Recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to send. As you can see, it also shows you how much it is worth in dollar value. Click Next. You can also choose a speed for the transaction. The faster you want the transaction to go through, the higher the fees will be. Gas prices are measured in GUE. GUE is the smallest unit of Ethereum. The gas price is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per unit of gas. The gas limit is the maximum amount of gas that you are willing to spend for the transaction. MetaMask advises using the website Ethereum Gas Station to give you an idea of what you should be spending for your transaction. And you can see below the legacy gas price of each priority fee. You can also check this on Etherscan by clicking where it says More, Gas Tracker, and view the Ethereum gas tracker here. So, after you have submitted everything to send Ethereum, you will be shown how much ETH you are sending, the estimated gas fees, and the total of your transaction. Click Confirm, and as you can see in the Activity tab, the transaction is pending. It may take a few minutes. If it's taking too long, then you can click Speed Up. This will speed up the transaction. You will, of course, pay some fees to do this. This goes for if you want to cancel the transaction as well. You can also view the status by clicking on the transaction. You'll be able to see your address and to whom you're sending the funds to, and you can also view it on Etherscan by clicking View on Block Explorer. To swap tokens within the MetaMask wallet, click here where it says Swap, and you can swap, for example, Ethereum with another token of your choice. For example, USDC. If you click Advanced Options, you can set a slippage tolerance. What this means is that because you are not using a centralized exchange to buy and sell, MetaMask uses liquidity pools. So every time you use the Ethereum network, you're going to have to pay a fees for the network. A slippage tolerance of 2% should be fine. But if you're having difficulty or want the transaction to go through faster, then by clicking Custom and making the slippage tolerance higher to 3 to 5%, this should make your transaction go through without a problem. Once you click Review Swap, MetaMask will scan all the best decentralized exchanges to get the best price. You'll be shown a confirmation page as well as the network fee for the transaction and the possible max network fee that you may be charged overall, including the MetaMask fee. If you're happy with the swap, click Swap, and then you'll have USDC in your assets. To connect a hardware wallet, click the account identicon, click Connect Hardware Wallet. Select which hardware wallet you would like to use with MetaMask, for example, Ledger. Make sure your Ledger is plugged in, click Continue. As you can see, it has detected my Ledger Nano X. Click Connect. If you are restoring a Ledger, then it will be the account that has the funds. For this tutorial, I will go ahead and select a new account. Click Unlock And as you can see, my ledger is now connected to MetaMask. It will behave just like any other MetaMask account, with the difference that it has a different public address, and you need to have your hardware device plugged in for signing transactions or messages. To remove your wallet, or any wallet in general, you just need to click the three dots on the top right and click Remove Account. MetaMask will remember your account name and transaction history if you ever are to re-import the account in the future. Now, you should know how to use the MetaMask wallet and also connect your hardware device. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.